Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the downpipe in by myself and I'll start recording again when the downpipe is in. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wes Vlogs back on the vlog. So today is super exciting. I'm going to install the downpipe today by myself. I'm going to DIY or Die in San Jose. They're a really cool shop. You can rent their lifts out. Check them out, guys. So I'll see you guys when I'm at DIY or Die, and then we'll get started. See you guys there. Oh wow, guys, it's already been that fast. That was quick. So I've had the car for about a week now. I think we're about to hit 1,000 miles. Any second. 1,000 miles already. Yeah. We are about 9 minutes out to the shop now, guys. So almost there. Alright guys, last pull stock. Let's go! Woo! This thing's gonna be a monster when it's tuned. Whoa! Alright guys, and we are here. Killing bugs with the Supra. Killing bugs. But yeah guys, so we're here at DIY or Die in San Jose, California. They're super nice people. You guys should definitely check them out. It's only like 40 bucks an hour to rent their lift. So make sure you know what you're doing before you rent the lift. So yeah, so we're here with the Supra. We're gonna get downpipe done and tune done. It's gonna be sick, guys. Alright guys, here at DIY or Die inside now. What's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm alright.
So we need a lift, brother.
We got plenty of lifts for you.
We got a lift here for the Supra. So yeah, downpipe today. Yeah guys, sliding in. Whoop. So we got the Supra here, guys. Super nice owner right here. He actually disinfects all the tools, the whole station. He disinfects everything, like the lift, the tools, the toolbox. He disinfects everything to the T. You know, safety is #1 priority, guys. So yeah, we're gonna get started on the Supra here. We're gonna get it up on the lift, and then we can see what we can do today, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get the downpipe in by myself, and I'll start recording again when the downpipe is in and we're putting the tune in. Let's do it. Guys, so I just put the downpipe in. Just gonna put the cover on, put everything away, clean this mess up, and then we'll get a little sound clip, guys. Alright guys, first start up with the new Vrsf Downpipe. Here you guys go. Oh my god, guys, it's so loud. It's so loud. It got so much louder. Like the pops, you can hear it now. Like I wonder what it's gonna sound like driving. I'm gonna get cleaned up here a little more, guys. Alright guys, so huge shout out to James over here at DIY or Die. Super nice people, make sure to check them out. We got the downpipe in, but unfortunately we did not get the tune in. But I promise you guys we'll get the tune in the next few days. So check it out. Jeez. It's crazy, guys. Check it out with the valves open, guys. Crazy. Alright, well, thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.